Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the campfire thing. Now we're going to open it and see what it looks like. It's a circle, and you see this line is for something to hold it in the car. Elias is going to bring the tools. And my dad gave me the Slurpee from 7-Eleven, and I got the blueberry one.
Oh, Lucas here.
Hello, okay?
Dile quién es.
Hola, baby.
Valerie.
Why you so pretty? Oh, look at you. Hi. What is your ganchito? ¿Dónde está? Oh, ¿y tú no tienes frío con esa ropa?
Now we're going to open the toolbox. Now we're going to use a 10 millimeters, and we're using the small wrench. Oh. It's thin, see? Guys, we're going to now take the screw off. I can't get it. The short tools. Good. Take this out. Now we're going to take the other one off on this side. I hope it doesn't fall again. Oh, got it. Okay, I'm going to put it over here with the other. And then I'll take this out. Okay. This goes over here. See?
Mira, pero Jaden se fue para la casa ajena sin preguntar.
It's magic because we did the installation. My dad and my sister finished the installation of the cover fiber straw.